Okay, so this is Assalamu alaikum. This is the continuation of IT Act Amendment 2008, and which was now like again was being amended in 2009, which was given by UniCTRL, and like we have discussed the few silent features of it, like legal recognition of e-commerce has made done easier with the help of is one of the silent feature of IT Act. Then e-documentation. So the e-documentation and digital signatures, usage of digital signatures, we need to be duly authenticated by certifying authorities, and like the provisions of IT Act have no application towards the negotiable instruments, power of attorney, and also for the contract of sale or convenience of immovable properties. The act is applied on the cyber offense of like in India and as well as outside the India, by the person irrespective to his or her nationalities, and like whoever is coming from outside or moving to outside and they are having any cyber issues can be handled by the cyber laws, which was given by the IT Act, comes under the IT Act, and the like cyber offense for all who are who comes to India, and like in who comes in India, and who the Indians, the nationalities, like who are the Indians moving outside the country. Like in short, the cyber offenses for the people of any nationality as provided under the like section 90. Like again, the next is that everyone should be known about the, according to the section 90, the whatever the amendment is made in this act, means any changes into the act must be known by all the people. The notification must be made to the people. Then the last is your seventh one is your consequent of passing of this act. The SEBI, that is Security Exchange Board of India, had announced that the trading of securities on internet will be valid. Like they have announced that it is because of the IT Act. The SEBI told that the trading of securities and internet will be valid in India, but initially there was no such provisions. But according to the Amendment Act 2009, this silent feature was added that this securities can be done online, trading of securities can be done online, and the protection will be given for confidentiality and net trading. Okay, so we have discussed about the IT Act, that was given like by UniCTRL, and which was given in 17th October 2000, which was amended on 2006, 2008 and 2009. We have discussed certain silent features, 7 silent features. That is, it gives a legal recognition to the e-commerce, which facilitates the commercial e-transactions. It recognizes the record kept in electronic form in the form of documents, and in this way electronic transactions at pair with paper transactions documentary form, and digital signatures. Like the act also provide the legal recognition to the digital signatures, and also it have a duly authenticating. It says that we need to be duly authenticate the certifying authorities, and this act is not applicable for negotiating instruments, power of attorneys, cost of sale, for immovable properties, and for cyber offense for all the nationality people, like when it is related to when they are coming to India and our people going outside the India. And amendment acts, rules and regulations and silent features must be updated to the people. And it have also provided the provisions for SEBI to have an online security online trading of securities, and which is not been there in initially, but now according to the Amendment Act, this have came into the the securities issues can be handled by the cyber according to the Information Technology Act. Okay, so this was the IT Amendment Act 2000, signed features of 2000 from 2000 to 2009. We have discussed about the securities of information system needs, its attacks, and also we have discussed about the services of securities, and what is malicious software, malware, and what is hacking we have discussed. And we have discussed the biometric technique, other security services. We have discussed security mechanism, cyber law, cyber security issues, and IT Amendment Act. This was all the topics covered in your unit 5th. Okay, the notes will be provided to you all soon, inshallah. Thank you so much.